So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove hair in Picsart. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Picsart app. On here you can see some of the projects you have and stuff like that. And once you log in, open up one of those projects. On here you can see the tools underneath: effects, text, retouch, and so on. So you can see even cutout, remove, and like stuff like that. So through here you can find the remove button. Then you can choose the bigger brush in order to catch. You can see the size of the brush from very small to very large. So if you find something like here, so you can choose something like this and you can remove and click on that to remove hair on Picsart. You can also discard these changes. On there you can also choose the option of retouching, and you can see here blemish, face, smooth, HD portrait, remove makeup, and stuff like that. So you can see there's a lot of stuff that you can mess around with, and you can see hair color and even hairstyles. So you can choose between those, and then you can remove hair like that. You can also use some of the options of cutting out or removing objects from the image on Picsart. So there's a few ways that you can remove hair in your photos. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Picsart or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.